What are you waiting for? Come on. Welcome to Sarah's Rainbow Sparkly World. To my restaurant. What will you like to eat? Here you go, our menu.
Nice. What is available?
Look at this menu and I'll make it for you.
You want to put the chef hat and the chef clothes? All right, now you're Chef Sarah. I would like a chicken with broccoli and mashed potatoes. Is that possible, chef?
Yes.
Mateo, are you a guest of the restaurant or you're a chef too?
Because I have really good. A guess.
Okay. I'm a guest too. I'm so hungry.
We have candies. Well, that's for after lunch. Now we need this.
What's that, chef? Flour. What is that you're making right now?
The thing that Matthew
Okay, the thing that your guests ordered at the restaurant.
Restaurant because they're the biggest one. Esse restaurante eu não entendo inglês.
Oh, you don't speak English in this restaurant?
Nope.
What is it you speak in this restaurant?
Português ou espanhol?
Yay! How does that taste? Oh, delicious, chef. Oh, guest, you have a table for you there with a chair and everything. Guest Mateo. Oh, chef, so now what are you doing to that food? What are you adding? What ingredient are you adding?
Rice?
That's delicious. Little more flour.
I'll destroy it first. I need some salt. I'm making a soup for you instead.
The guest is getting impatient. Already turn the table around. The food is coming soon, guest. Don't give up. Ooh, that's a spray. Whoa. Wow, that looks yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow, this soup. Are you hungry and excited for your soup? Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Delicious.
Can I see it? Brown.
What are you thinking, guest? What do you think of the food that is being prepared by Chef Sarah?
Good?
Good? Think it's gonna be yummy?
Yeah, yummy. Because it's black and it's brown.
What did you say? That it looks like poo-poo?
Yeah, it looks like it. Doesn't.
Oh my god.
Puppy, it's chocolate.
Yummy?
Yummy.
Ooh.
lot. What? This makes me.
The soup?
Yeah. Oh. It has water.
Wow, Mateo's eating for real. He really loves it, chef. You wanna try, Jackie? Vamos a ver. Baja, Jackie, para probar. For real?
Muy sabroso.
Okay, now Mama's gonna try.
Wait, Mama. Oh. Mummy, wanna try?
Now it's Molly's turn. Come.
Mommy.
Here, Molly. By the door. Chef wants everyone to try, including her dog, Molly. Let's see if Molly's gonna approve it. Molly! Yeah, Molly, baby. Oh, good doggy, so cute, this doggy.
Bye.
See you later, alligator. You know,
Another alligator and a wild crocodile. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my videos and we could have fun forever.